that's our catering sorted.
Ice cream.
There's not the ice cream. We've just been practicing some lines for tomorrow night. Oh, all right. Well, that's all reserved for us. You missed the smoke pouring in from the window.
Can't go out your window, can you?
So this is Oakworth Station. This is Jenny Agata runs down in her dress going, "Daddy, my daddy." Sorry? Yeah.
Look, we're off again.
You were right. Well done.
So this is Oxenhope. Because it says it there, look at that.
It's very exciting.
It's a train station, isn't it?
It's very, very exciting.
I can tell how excited you are.
I'm very excited.
You're a train person.
I love trains,
Yeah.
especially steam trains.
Look at that. Oh, it's a train. Oh, I wonder how many horsepower that puts out. I wonder what the pressure gauge says at the moment. How many decibels is the whistle? What's the border capacity there then?
Got the number, got the serial number of the train.
Oh, serial number's no good. I want the chassis number, mate. It smells sort of smell of carbolic.
Stop it.
I've been told I've got to start directing tours and helping people understand what's something. Don't know anything about trains. I don't care about trains. No interest in them whatsoever. And also, you know this thing about the railway tour.
So this is Central Park.
I did like her. Don't like her now.
What are you doing to these two legs?
Oh no. Don't know.
We're in the playoffs between Fleetwood and Bolton.
Oh!
They're up.
Don't put Nappy on Larky! Oh! What is the place? Stop it! Oh. I've got to get covered in poo if you do that! Stop it!
Left the blue pad.
Oh. What is no?
Shut up, Sam.
No, get off me! Don't humiliate Larky. You nasty lady. Oh. I don't know what to do there, but it really hurt my voice. I'm big dog. Bad. I don't like kid. Look what you do to me. What is that? What is that?
Stop you booing in people's faces.
Shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up. You shut up. You shut up. You shut up. You shut up.
See what he said.
Yeah, I'm ignoring him.
Okay.
Shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up. You shut up.
Quiet time.
I'm going to use Doki Magic now.
Abracadabra.
He was blind. And I sort of observed him for a few weeks, and my admiration for him grew because I thought, well, you know.
To his son. When I was 17, it were a very grand year. It were a very grand year for indoor bowling facilities for winter months in Kirklees, Huddersfield and Cleggeton districts. Please note, Sebastian Hargreaves had yet to be born to a jackal. When I was 35, it were a very grand year. Please note, despite having stood for council, Sebastian Hargreaves remained unelected. But now, the days are short.
Suns on the desert are we.
Only nothing is free. Lies that only you can sustain. Just wait and see. So open up your beach and belong. Why? Well, I tell you, I'm your man. Win some, lose some, it's all the same to me. Pleasure is to play. Makes no difference what you say. Say you agree, the only card I need, the ace of spades, the ace of spades. Plays for the high one, dancing with the devil, going with the flow, it's all a game to me. Snake eyes watching you. Double up or quit, double stick or split. The ace of spades, the ace of spades. What a wonderful weather. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. Shaking hands, saying, how do you do? Baby saying, I love you. I babies cry.
Why do I do it?
Have we met before? You look sort of familiar. Sort of familiar. Oh no. And you can stop now.
Stan and Ollie played on this stage. We've just done the start of the drivers, Birds of a Feather sketch, because they performed that here in '54, and we did it really badly.
Of the film that the Bradford Centre is named after.
Hooray! Hospital!
Yeah, we're playing Brats. No, we're playing County Hospital, made in 1932, and after which our centre is named. Just a quick word before we watch both films. I know we mentioned it the other night on Friday night when David Wilson was speaking. If it wasn't for David, we probably wouldn't be able to watch these two films in this space because of the licensing issues. He made loads of phone calls, called in favours, contacted his equivalent film UNESCO types around the world, managed to get these licenses at a very reasonable price. They also, as part of that deal, allowed us to, they waived any licenses we needed to show films at the hotel. So, all in all, a big thanks to him. He did put his job on the line. He did say he resigned if he couldn't get the licenses to show the Laurel Hardy films. So, I'm glad he didn't have to. So, that's it for me. Enjoy County Hospital.
Hey! lads, having the time of our lives, marching along, 2,000 strong, far from our sweethearts and wives, God bless them. Tramp, 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 the boys are marching and dancing to this melody. La 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 la. Sons of the desert are we. Sunday night, been filming, saving files, brand new for tonight.
So how's this been for the last year and a half?
Hey, beggars.
Hey, keggers. Keggers, pop, pop.
If I introduce you to keggers.
Ahead, you stupid poor man, you must leave us upstairs. Yes, you are, Ducky. Don't look at me.
Most of you have found the staff here have been absolutely fantastic for the whole weekend. So, to the hotel. A very quick thank you to David Wilson, who was here on Friday, who I've thanked a couple of times already, who if it wasn't for him we wouldn't have got the licenses to show the films. So thank you, David. A big thank you to probably my biggest helper on the artistic side of the convention, Bradford's finest Laurel Hardy artist, Mr. Craig Lighter. Craig Lighter! He did the t-shirts, he did out with banner, he did the programme, all the other stuff. I'd also like to thank somebody who's worked very hard behind the scenes to help me do this. With very little public acknowledgement. My lovely wife, Lizzie. She's put all the mini bags together. She put all these fiddly bits of paper into these fiddly bits of plastic. And I think that sometimes she thinks I think more of you than I do of her.
Well, you do, don't you?
We won't go into that. Okay, and everyone else, lots of people have given brilliant advice coming through on my journey to this convention.
Let's get this over. Wearing your ties, plastic. Your shirts, plastic. Your jackets, wood and plastic. Your pants, plastic. My voice is made out of plastic, but my delivery is entirely made out of wood. Daylight, that's made out of wood. These two men coming towards me with white coats, they're made of wood. Me trying to fight the wolf is made of wood. This coat with the really long arms, that's made of wood. Oh boys, you can go now.
guy that picked us up in the taxi from Southend back in the 1950s. Did he ever tell you about that?
Oh, yeah.
Me too.
Goodbye, brothers, sons, and our many friends and fans. Good luck, and God bless you all.
We'll never forget you.
That's right, Stanley. Try as we might, we never can.
Bye.